Hey CCSA parents and kids, hopefully mostly kids this time. Hopefully you are becoming more and more independent with this online stuff. When we get to chapter 10, math, we're going to switch to something called Khan Academy, okay? But for now, for chapter 9, we're still going to use YouTube, okay? The discussion board, you can use Zoom to talk to me. I don't understand chapter 9, Miss Michaela. Can you go over a few things with me? Just ask for a meeting, okay? So, today we're going to talk about the star. All right. As you can see, you should have made something like this. A lot of your stars, by the way, look amazing. Very cute. Very impressed. And what I wanted you to do was keep your measurements on the outside. And you can see I did. I colored these yellow. Mine's not really decorated. And as you see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 front triangles. We have to find the area for the front and back. There's 2 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one's 1.5 base, and the height is 4.5. Okay? This front one, the height, is 1.75, and the base is 6. So this is kind of what your math should have looked like. You should have got to 55.5. Okay? So if you think of it as the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. There are 2 triangles. The front triangle, I divided up. Okay, I counted how many front, I labeled the base, I labeled the height. The back, okay, there's 4 total. The base is 1.5, the height is 4.5. Okay, so I made a little math equation, and this is what it should have looked like. 6 times 1.75 divided by 2, multiplied by 8. First I got to solve this, and then I take the answer to this and multiply it to 8. The back, do the same thing. Use my numbers up there. I can look at my drawing, my sculpture, I mean. Okay? So this is the math. And this is kind of what the math should look like. So I multiplied the 6. Remember, 6 is a whole number, so I had to make it a decimal. Remember? I do 1 point, so I multiply those. And then you should get 10.5. You do 10.5 divided by 2, and that equals 5.25. You multiply that by 8, you should get 42. All right? Do the same thing here. Multiply the base and the height first for that second triangle. Okay? Then you should get 6.75 divided by 2. And that's actually 3.375. You can also check all your work with a calculator, and the answer is 13.5. Then I just got to add them together, and that is the surface area. 55.5. If you got something close to it, like 60, 62, 58, that's pretty close. You did a good job. Don't beat yourself up. You just made a simple math mistake. Maybe you forgot to carry a 0. Maybe you just did some addition wrong up here. Okay? I'll leave that for you one last time. Okay? Next, I'll be giving you some answers for the Chapter 9 review, because you do have a test coming up this Friday. So if there's anything about Chapter 9 that you're confused about and the review is really hard for you, do schedule a Zoom meeting. It's okay. Or, you can email me. So hopefully by this time your parents have given you access to the YouTube link, and it's on your cell phone. You have access to a Gmail account. If you want to make your own Gmail account, just let me know, give it to me, and then I can share your folder with you so you can do everything on your own without mom and dad, okay? All right, bye kids.